So last few days I got kind of overexcited about the band, the group Humphrey. They're an American vocal voice band that are amazing. They are super cool. They are funny. They are yes, it's so cool, guys. It's so cool. We have a playlist here in channel. We're gonna put a lot of new songs from them there. But in the last video that I released, in the time that I'm recording this, somebody suggests another band. It's called Steven Seagal's. And I love it. And that's gonna be the first time I'm gonna see anything about this band and gonna react to them. This song gonna be Thunderstruck. And let's see what they have to offer. But guys, you can see how important for me is your comment. Your comment is what feed this channel with things that we should share to people, because when we see something from some other place, we know a little bit more about this place and we have more reasons to care about it. Bring us closer as humanity, and we need to overcome some things, right? We cannot fight into each other forever. Let's do this. Let's use music to build friendship, camaradagem to each other. That's gonna be my mission, and another thing that I want to do, make you laugh. If I can, at least smile.
In the middle of a railroad track, looked around and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? You've been thunderstruck. 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 Yeah, yeah.
Let's go! I would not be surprised if in future music they use a tractor as a percussion because this is amazing! Wow, to see the capability of this banjo player to play CDC. I already knew that a lot of rock and roll stars have deep roots in bluegrass and this kind of music, but man, those guys are outstanding. This is the kind of stuff that I really like. Pleasure, guilty pleasure of my behalf. Maybe if you don't like it, it's not a problem too, but this kind of stuff make my veins pumps. I really enjoy how simple and I like this kind of proud of who they are. Like they are proud where they come from. They have this, okay, that's as simple like that. We're not trying to impress you. We are doing our thing here, enjoying ourselves and doing our version of this amazing music. It's not easy to play. It's not easy to play ECTC. And they are doing a great, fantastic job. Guys, thank you so much for sharing this with me. I was expecting something more like covers from Iron Horse or more conventional bluegrass, but that was wow, super cool, super fun. And yeah, so I see you in the next video, and I hope you stay along and enjoy things, share things that you like with me, and I talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.